have the Lorex 1080p HD recorder. Bought it from Costco about 2 years ago, and this little fan stopped working. Easy fix. Took 3 little screws right from 1, 2, and 3 tiny little black screws, and I replaced it with this guy right here. The Noctua 5 volt. Make sure you buy the 5 volt, not the 12 volt. Premium fan. Beautiful, nice and quiet. You don't even hear it. Comes with the clip. The clip just slides right into the existing. Right there. Just make sure you follow the red and the black. And I used the little rubber mounts that it comes with and fit it right into the heatsink. Make sure you put the letters down so that the fan's going down. And all set, nice and quiet, and repaired. Good luck.